In 2025, building $1 million blog empire requires leveraging cutting edge strategies, tools, and a forward thinking mindset. Choose a profitable niche, focusing on industries with high demand and monetization potential. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand your audience's needs and preferences. Content is the foundation of any blog empire. Focus on high value content that solves problems. Leverage tools like ChatGPT for content ideas, keyword research, and drafts. Develop an editorial calendar and post regularly to build authority and trust. SEO remains a cornerstone for traffic. Use tools like SEMrush to uncover competitive keywords. Optimize posts with on-page SEO elements, including meta tags and headers. Acquire backlinks through guest posting and creating share-worthy content. To reach $1,000, diversify income with affiliate marketing, digital products, and ad networks. Partner with high-paying affiliate programs and create in-depth product reviews. Sell digital products like ebooks and online courses tailored to your niche. Apply to premium ad networks for higher payouts and consider memberships for exclusive content. Expand reach using social media while nurturing relationships through email marketing. Use visually appealing platforms and trends to boost visibility. Build an email list with attractive lead magnets and engage through campaigns. Use automation tools and outsource tasks for efficiency to scale your empire. Create niche blogs to capture new audiences and build a blog network. Building a $1,000 blog empire is achievable with the right strategies. Take action today.